Ready? Start. This court has repeatedly taken the view that the discrepancies or improvements which do not materially affect the case of the prosecution and are insignificant cannot be made the basis for doubting the case of the prosecution. Stop. The courts may not concentrate too much on such discrepancies or improvements. Stop. The purpose is to primarily and clearly shift the calf from the grain and find out the truth from the testimony of the witnesses. Stop. Where it does not affect the core of the prosecution case, such discrepancies should not be attached undue significance. Stop. The normal course of human conduct would be that while narrating a particular incident, they may occur minor discrepancies. Stop. Such discrepancies may even in law render credential to the dispositions. Stop. The improvements of variations must essentially relate to the material particulars of the prosecution case. Stop. The alleged improvements and variation must be shown with respect to material particulars of the case and the occurrence. Stop. Every such improvement, not directly related to the occurrence, is not a ground to doubt the testimony of a witness. Stop. The credibility of a definite circumstances of the prosecution case cannot be weakened with reference to such minor or insignificant improvements. Stop. What is to be seen next is whether the version presented in the court was substantially similar to what was said during the investigation. Stop. It is only when exaggeration fundamentally changes the nature of the case, the court has to consider whether the witness was stating the truth or not. Stop. There are variations which would not amount to any serious consequences. Stop. The court has to accept the normal conduct of a person. Stop. The witness who is watching the murder of a person being brutally beaten by 15 persons can hardly be expected to state a minute by minute description of the event. Stop. Everybody can, and more particularly a person who is known to or is related to the deceased, would given all this attention to take steps to prevent the assault on the victim and then to make every effort to provide him with the medical aid and inform the police. Stop. The statements which are recorded immediately upon the incident would have to be given a little leeway with regard to the statements being made and recorded with utmost exactitude. Stop. It is a settled principle of law that every improvement or variation cannot be treated as an attempt to falsely implicate the accused by the witness. Stop. The approach of the court has to be reasonable and practicable. Stop. Reference in this regard can be made to Ashok Kumar versus State of Haryana and Vishal versus State of Chhattisgarh. Stop. The court has to examine whether evidence read as a whole appears to have a ring of truth. Stop. Once that impression is formed, it is undoubtedly necessary for the court to scrutinize the evidence, more particularly keeping in view the deficiencies, drawbacks and infirmities pointed out in the evidence as a whole and evaluate them to find out whether it is against the general tenor of the evidence given by the witnesses and whether the earlier evaluation of the evidence is Second, as to render it unworthy of belief.